Looking for a highly equipped family vehicle with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2018 Chrysler Pacifica Limited in billet silver. With HID headlamps, LED fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, lane departure warning plus, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 55,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, heated second row seats, TRI-PANE panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 6325A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.